Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create and use a custom roster in College Football 27. First, go to create and share from the main menu and then select rosters. Here you'll find options such as manage players, order depth chart and update rosters. Select manage players and choose the team that you want to edit. You'll then see a list of all the players on that team's roster. When you select a player, the only available option is edit player. This means that you can edit eligible player information, but you cannot transfer players to another team or move players between different schools. If you want to make changes to the team's lineup, go back and select order depth chart. This allows you to rearrange players within the same team and choose who starts at each position. That's all there is to creating a custom roster in College Football 27. You can edit player details, adjust the depth chart and customize the existing roster options that are available in the game. Hope this clears things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.